Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you on how I made this tie and dye dress pattern. So let's begin. Obviously one must require both front and back darted borders block. This is the custom made front darted borders block on which dart manipulation has been done. Here I have created a new line from the neckline to the dart point where I will be transferring the shoulder dart. The waist dart will be as it is, creating notches to make the stitch line. After the dart manipulation, the front pattern has two panels. The one that goes on the center front will be cut on fold, and here I will be creating 5 centimeters extra length to give pleats for the front panel. The one that goes on the side seam will be cut in 2 pieces. So once 5 centimeters extra room is given to the pattern, here is how the pattern would look like, and this will be cut on fold. Also the back bodice will be used as it is. Once I have cut out the exact pattern on the fabric and done the basic dart stitching, here is how the pattern looks like. This is the back panel and that one is the front panel. The skirt is basically cut out in rectangle section and the waist is a little extra than the waist of the bodice. Here is the back panel. Having both the main and the lining material together, I have attached the dart legs, that is the waistline dart and the shoulder darts. I have also stitched the neckline. Coming to attaching the waist of the bodice to the skirt, I will be creating a few pleats on the skirt and then attaching it to the waist of the bodice. Now for the front panel, I have created pleats on the center front panel which was cut on fold, and then the side seam panel which was cut in 2 pieces was attached to the center front panel. The lining material I did not create the pleats on the center front because the lining would not require it anyways. As mentioned earlier, even for the back panel, we'll be attaching the waistline of the bodice to the skirt to create the dress panel. Now to mention about the sleeve, it is a basic sleeve pattern. This is the front panel where I have attached the bodice and the skirt together. It's a square neckline and as the design demands, it has pleats and pleats on the waistline as well. I've attached front and back panel shoulder seam and then the sleeves together. Here's the back panel with dart stitched together and the skirt together. The only thing remaining now is stitching the side seam. From the sleeve hem going through the pockets, we'll be stitching till the dress hem to complete the dress pattern. This is the completed dress. Now let me just wear it. Also, who wouldn't want to show off functional pockets on the dresses, right? The dress did come out as visualized. Do let me know by commenting down below how you feel the dress turned out to be. Now of course you can get this done by a nearby tailor as well. I styled the outfit with ear jackets, layered neck chain and a side hair clip. If you like the video, do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, bye!